Welcome all. In this video, we are going to solve question number 6 of 7.1. So the question is, in figure, AC is equal to AE. This AC and AE are equal. Then AB is equal to AD. AB and AD are equal. And angle BAD, this angle BAD, this angle is equal to angle EAC, this angle. So we have to show that BC is equal to DE. That means this line BC and this line DE is equal. See here, two triangle we can consider here. First one is BAC, this whole triangle, because in BAC we can find BC, and another one is ADE. If we consider ADE triangle, then we can find DE as a side. So if we can prove that both this triangle are congruent, then we can write BC is equal to DE. To write or to prove BC is equal to DE, we need one thing. First we need to prove that this angle, this total angle, that is BAC, this total angle is equal to EAD, this angle DAE or EAD. Then we can prove that both the triangles are congruent. So let's prove the first one, that is BAC is equal to DAE angle. So what we can write here, given AC is equal to AE, it is given, and also given AB is equal to AD. Now one thing is given, is that angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. This is given. So what we can do, we can adding angle, this angle DAC, this angle, this small angle, if we add with both the angle, then we can find what we can find. We can write here DAC on both side. Then what we can find, BAD plus angle DAC is equal to EAC plus angle DAC. So you can see that BAD, this angle plus this angle, will be equal to BAC. So here you can write angle BAC is equal to, again, EAC plus DAC will be equal to DAE or EAD. So you can write here EAD. So we have proved this one. Now in triangle BAC and triangle EAD, what you can see here, that AC is equal to AE. This one we can see, this is given. Again we can write here AB is equal to AD. It is also given. One thing is given, that BAC is equal to angle EAC. This one we have proved. Here we can see this one you have proved. So triangle BAC is congruent to triangle EAD by what law? SAS. So BC is equal to DE, because they are the corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So this is how we can prove BC is equal to DE. Thank you.